love taco tortas. Double dip. People that like
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. It is a chilly Friday night in, and it's pretty cold outside, so I thought I would make some curry for dinner this week. What really inspired me was my trip to Japan earlier this year in April. One of the things that I ate there was Japanese curry, so I stayed in a hotel and an Airbnb, and at my Airbnb there was a small little curry shop in the neighborhood. It was truly one of the best curries that I have ever tried in my life, and that is the inspiration for my dinner tonight. I've had many curries in California as well as New York, but nothing beats the one in Japan. So earlier this week, I went to the Union Square Farmers Market to pick up some produce, including carrots, potatoes, a white onion, and this morning I went to pick up some beef chuck roast to throw in there as well. And the thing about New York City is I could just walk out in my neighborhood and probably find about 5 Japanese restaurants that serve curry within a half-a-mile radius, but there's something so satisfying about being able to cook a dish that you love right at home. As always, thank you for watching my food video, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something along the way. So, without further ado, let's get started.